What's going on YouTube? My name is Ben Knudsen. I'm back with another tutorial this week for Big Flip's channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys the infinite rollover. It looks like this. And here's the slow-mo. For this trick, you're going to want to be at about an advanced level. You're definitely going to want to have mastered the short stop trick before you try this trick. To start off this trick, you can either start with the bite or the safe handle, because you're going to need to learn the motion starting from each handle because it switches off infinitely between the different handles. I usually start off with the bite handle, so when I do the first flick around, I don't have to worry about the blade yet, and then I have to worry about the blade on the second time around. All this trick really is that forward motion of the short stop, but then they're all chained together with a little bit of action of your middle and your pointer fingers. So flicking it forward just like that first short stop movement and catching it on that safe handle, relatively, I would guess, on my butterfly knife on this replicant, where the chevrons are pretty close to where the blade and the pivots are. At this point, you're then going to release your thumb and put your middle finger in there, and you're going to keep that forward momentum and have it go and twist. You're going to have that momentum twist like that. To smooth it, it looks like the first part looks like this. There you go. So that first forward thumb roll around, grabbed in between here really quickly, switching then to your middle finger, and then that switch, that you keep that momentum going around and you turn it in your fingers like so. So that's now in between your pointer and your middle fingers still on the safe handle, but with the blade, back the blade towards you instead of in front of you. So once in this position, you're just going to set yourself up for another forward thumb rollover, but this time starting with the safe handle. So as you have it in there, the momentum is going to keep it moving forward, and as you do that, it's going to set you up perfectly to stick your thumb in there and do another forward thumb rollover. You catch it in that exact same position, like so. And then you just repeat the entire process over again. You put your middle finger in there, you take your thumb out, and you give it that momentum and pop it back until it's in this kind of position like this. You just keep on doing that until you want to end it. Now in the beginning of this video, how I ended it was with a short stop, but you can either do it to a short stop, ice pick aerial, basic aerial, overhang aerial. You can do any different kind of variation on it. So again, the whole trick looks like this. First thumb roll over, flick back, second thumb roll over, flick back, third thumb roll over, and then whenever you want to end it, you simply just go into that short stop, or you can go into that aerial, or you can do an ice pick aerial. Just depends on whatever you want to finish with it. In my opinion, the best finishers for this trick are definitely the short stops and then the different types of aerials that you can do, such as the basic aerial or the ice pick aerial or the overhang aerial. But that's just my opinion. So again, recap. First thumb roll over, grab it in between these two fingers, and then switch it to your pointer and your middle finger. Keep that momentum by turning the bally on the safe handle in between these fingers until you have it again more or less in that same position. And you flick it around your thumb again, grab it in that same position. Now be careful on the second time you're doing it if you're starting on the bite handle, because on the second forward thumb roll, you're actually going to have the bite handle there. So when you do this forward momentum, make sure that you don't let the blade hit your fingers, or else it's going to really hurt. And that's really it, guys. So once you have this down, you can, hence the title, you can do it forever. It's a really cool trick, and it ends into a lot of, you can incorporate it into anything. Incorporate it multiple into different combos. So I could do this here. Or I could do this combo. The finisher is simply whatever you guys want, and it's really just incorporate it into a combo that you like and have fun with the trick, guys. And you can learn it if you take the time and the practice, and always watch the slow-mos. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Big Flips and myself on my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.